On this one we leave a great free camp at Bethungra Dam, call into Junee at the liquorice factory there, then on to Coolamon, have a bit of a look around there, through to Narrandera and then on to Hay. At the Junee Liquorice and Chocolate Factory at Junee, obviously. Go for a wander inside and see what she's like. That truck, haven't seen one of that vintage for a while. This building used to be an old flour mill back in the day, so I can relate to that a little bit, as I worked in one for 5 years. I love looking around these old buildings. You can do so much with them, and they've done a bloody great job here, I reckon. Big function room. How are you? Good, yourself? Yeah, good, thanks. Yeah, you got some gear in here. Sorry? I said you got some gear in here.
I have, yes.
This is a gift shop. What do you pick? Bloody hell. So the owner of this place here, their son, owns a distillery at Carrathool. Pretty cool. Trying to make up your mind what you want in there. It's the hardest part. up-to-date store. It's great how all the old buildings here have been sort of fairly well maintained on most of them. Cool. Now, kids playing dogs. Used to play that at school. Get your bag of marbles. Playing for keeps.
Cool, isn't it? I love the little girl, how they've got the chain for the long hair.
Oh, dogs. Cool. Oh, there's the Coolamon cheese down there.
Oh, we're going to go to that.
Yeah.
I'll go to the farm, I think.
Here, back here. Coolamon cheese. Come here. Not much going on out here. It's a Saturday today, so probably nobody working out here. Still to come, I think. This is the big guitar at Narrandera. Just in the information centre if you're looking for it. This memorial is next to the information centre here at Narrandera. We just thought it might be a good spot to have a bit of a break. The tiger moths to commemorate number 8 elementary training group apparently that went through training back in 1940 to 1945. What are you doing, boss? No? What are you doing? You waiting for me, are you? No? You're a good boy, aren't you? You're going to wait there.
bit of art. It was done by about five different artists. And they are Aristophe, Julian DeLeo, Christian Vine, Connor McLeanan and Taylor Brockman. Or Brockman. A bit on this side, wander around the other side and have a look as well. How are you going to see the next one because there's bloody trees in the road.
We're going to finish up here and we'll start to make our way down towards Hay. Not sure whether we're going to camp there or not yet.
Now, not sure how you pronounce it again, but this is the Carrathool Bridge over the Murrumbidgee. This is between Hay and Darlington Point. I've been doing the old, or done the old bridge up apparently. I haven't got it blocked off, so you may even be able to drive across here. There's the new bridge over there. So I reckon you can actually drive across here, which we might do on the way out. Probably not going to do it justice with that bloody transformer sitting in the road there. Fairly new paintings by the looks of them. dark out there now. Trying to rain here at the moment, a bit of lightning around the place.
We were going to camp here, but given the rain, we're going to camp over, or sort of around to the right there, down towards the river. There's a campground down there. We're going to stay there, but this rain coming in, I think it's going to make the ground pretty ordinary. So we've decided that we're going to have lunch here, and then we'll head on to Deniliquin, I think. So we'll probably call this one quits here. And on the next one, you should see us at Deniliquin, I reckon.